Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can log in into your PayPal account. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, in order for you to log in into PayPal, go to any browser you want and simply go to paypal.com. And finally, once you have done that, you're going to be on this page right over here, where on the top right there is going to be a login and sign up button. Go ahead and click on login. And finally, you want to go ahead and enter your email on top and then your password down here, right over here, and then simply click on login. And once you have done that, a verification code will be sent to your mobile device if your phone is linked into your account, so that you can go ahead and verify your account. Go ahead and click on continue, and then a security code is going to be sent. Wait for the code that is going to be sent on your mobile device, and your account should be logged in. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.